Thanks for watching. Something a little bit different today, bananas Fosters. Let's get started. 1 firm banana, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, yet salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon, crushed graham crackers, and dark rum. So if you still have your pizza oven going and you want something sweet, this is an easy dessert you can whip up in 5 minutes. So first step, just throw everything into a pan besides your rum and your banana. Pretty easy. And then slice up your banana however you like. And just bring it into the uni. Sorry about my daughter's toys, that wasn't meant to be in the shot. And this is quick, you just put it into the oven, make sure it's melted, and then you add your bananas and make sure it's thoroughly coated. And then you pop it back into the oven for a few more seconds. Finally, you add the rum. Just add enough to deglaze your pan, not too much. Now I totally could have done this on the stove inside, but since I had the oven going, I figured why not, right? That's it. Let all the alcohol burn off. Don't burn the house down and bring it on in. Yummy, sticky deliciousness. Now plate up however you like. I'm gonna put it on some ice cream. Now this is optional. You don't have to do this, but I want to put on some graham crackers for some crunch. And there you go, one of New Orleans' favorites in Ooni Koda. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to click and subscribe. I'm gonna have some cool content coming up soon, so be on the lookout. See you next time.